Hey everyone, Dr. Strong here at the Strong Health Institute, and today I want to talk to you about eye movements. Eye movements are something that we use in our functional neurology assessment to assess different parts of the brain. So we know that there are a lot of these neurocognitive diseases coming out. So in the older populations, it's like your Parkinson's or Alzheimer's or dementias. In the younger populations, it's more of these ADD, ADHD, learning disabilities, the autism spectrum. And then it can also be if we have concussions or traumatic brain injuries or people who have like test anxiety, depression. So all of these can be a result of the brain not working effectively. Now, why eye movements are important is because they use every part of the brain. So there are generally 6 eye movements. And so if we look at vertical eye movements, we know that it's very concentrated to this midbrain area, which has a lot to do with our stress and our anxiety. It also has to do a lot with our sympathetic system, which is our fight and flight response. We know that if we look side to side in the horizontal plane, that has a lot to do with this area, the pons and the medulla, and our respiratory, our heart rate, and our digestive system are found in this area. And then we can do these fast eye movements called saccades, which really work with these higher cortical processing areas. So this is where our rationalization comes. This is like kind of where our humanism comes, where we've kind of developed throughout the years, and we've developed this higher brain function. Now, we can also look at how the coordination of your eyes are. So the cerebellum is responsible for the ABCs, so accuracy, balance, and coordination. So it coordinates the eyes to the target, right? And then we can look at, do you have balance issues? Do you have any accuracy problems with the eye movements? And then we also know that you have a vestibular ocular reflex, where the eyes have to stay on target. So that is located in the cerebellar and fires into these pontine areas. And we know that if you can't keep your eyes on target while you're moving your head, you get dizziness, you get vertigo, you get sickness, you have blood pressure issues, then that could be associated with there. So we go through this extensive neurological exam to see where you may be having the problem, and then we can do therapies that target. So just as we use eye movements to find where the potential problem is, we can also use those eye movements to rehabilitate those areas. So that's why we use eye movements here at the Strong Health Institute, and I hope that this video was enjoyable. Have a great one.